Hello creators. In this lesson, we will show you how to create this cool random fading shapes animation. Let's get started. Start with a circle. Add an appear entry animation effect. Set it to start with previous. Add a fade exit animation effect. This also starts with previous. Set the duration as long as you like. Duplicate, reposition, and resize the shapes. Adjust the duration settings. Preview your animation. Next, duplicate all the shapes. Recolor the duplicated shapes. Reposition and resize the shapes. Adjust the animation duration settings. Repeat for the other circles. Repeat the process to create more shapes. Adjust the duration settings. Preview and adjust the timings until you get a nice distribution of shape entries and exits over the duration of your footage. To improve the randomness, avoid from having the shapes appearing exactly at the same time. Keep going until you're happy with your animation. You also can recolor some of the shapes to add more randomness. When you're done, set the transition to advanced slide after 0-100. This makes sure your video ends right after the animation effects are done without any additional delays. In the design menu, explore color scheme ideas for the background and the palette. You're done. You can export your animation as a video or a GIF. Easily and quickly change your creation by changing the shapes. Select the shapes. Go to Shape Format. Edit Shape. Change Shape. Let's do stars. Add bright outlines to the stars and remove the fill colors. Add the glow effect and mix up the glow colors. Experiment with additional animation effects. Here, we added a grow-shrink emphasis effect to every shape. The possibilities are endless. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. Please subscribe to our channel for more unique and amazing PowerPoint tips and tricks. Happy creating!